Now my pores are open. We're gonna use the scrubbing.
फॉन्डू सब बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस की मालकिन हो गई है। मोरोमो
मोरोमा
मोरोमा
बोलो कि तूने यूज किया और इसलिए तू इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है। तूने
मैंने
यूज
यूज
किया?
करा इसलिए मैं इतना सुंदर दिख रहा हूँ।
हाय हाय।
तंदुस मेरे को ब्लैकमेल कर रही है।
Everything is a pun on me. The poster is a pun on me. The question is a pun on me. So before you attack, please tell me so I can prepare. So I have
I think you're reaching a very wrong moment. Oh my god.
ये बोलना है तुम्हें?
Guys, I love the outfit.
I don't think I came all the way from Morocco to
Yes.
मेरा थंबनेल आज भी
Hi, good morning. I just woke up and today is a special day. Why? Because we're gonna finally reveal to the media that we are part of Traitors. That I did Traitors and it's insane. We shot it like 5 months back, 6 months back, and finally we're gonna like reveal I did Traitors. And today we're gonna like wear that red outfit and reveal it. You know, the masala gonna start, the drama gonna start. So I'm so excited. At the same time, Moroma, I cannot go to Moroma's office, so I just have to give the team all the tasks that needs to be done for today. I'm gonna be MIA. I'm gonna like call for a massage for my face. We're gonna like do a face massage so the face looks like Snatch when we do like the shoot. And I'm gonna take you everywhere with me. This is my pajama. I've been working out a lot. So can you see my abs? I'm really proud. Even though I was sick, you can like see I got like some cold, but what do you mean I was in Traitors? What do you mean I was in Traitors? Oh my god, this is crazy. I didn't want to do Big Boss. I was like, I'm done with that shit. But what do you mean I can be a traitor? What do you mean I might have killed some people? What do you mean with that? Like, and what do you mean I'm like with Shalini Pasi? I'm with Riya Chakrabarti. I'm with Rida. I'm with Parul. Who else I like in the show? I like Gil, Shahneel. What do you mean Prish is there? He's so cute. He's so funny. I don't know yet what like he said about me, but I love him. Sahil, I love him. He's so cute. He's so fun. I'm forgetting people right now, but yeah, these are the ones that are at the top of my mind because I think I just like them. But what do you mean? These are such cool contestants, and I'm so scared. I don't know who said what about me, but let's see. Today I'm gonna make them try Moroma out. So now we have to finish some work. There's this ship rocket, you know, ship rocket from where we ship items. I have to recharge the wallet on that so that we can ship the item. I have to take a shower. Oh my god. I just love vlogging because I can just like share everything with you guys. See, it looks like this. And then I have to recharge it. See, now it's minus because we did so many orders and we did good revenue. I'm gonna make a YouTube video on that. How much do we recharge? We're gonna recharge, let's recharge like 30,000. That's what when you have like a business, it's not like small numbers. And you know what? 30,000 is less. I should be recharging at least like 1 lakh. Card. That's what you have to be like fucking independent. You can fucking like do your own business, recharge your own wallet. No motherfucker do it for you. You do it on your own because I hope nobody's watching my card. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm waking up today to recharge the wallet of my business? And what do you mean after this I'll go get ready for my reality show? What do you mean I'm doing it all? I'm doing entertainment and business. This is like the fucking dream life I always wanted to have. Oh my god. The only thing I'm not lucky with, and I'm gonna say it and share it with you guys, is I don't think I'm lucky with friendship. I'm telling you, it's like, yeah, I feel like I had so many friends, but they are there. But it just like, I miss one of my ex-friends. He's a guy. He stays in Delhi. If you know me since Rodi's time, you would know who I'm talking about. But I do miss him a lot. Okay, we have some problem with Kotak card. It's not working. Let me solve this issue and then come back to you. Yay! I'm so scared. What do you mean? I don't know. What should I do? I don't know. What should I say to the media? I don't know what drama should I create. Should I not create? I'm confused. Now I am a businesswoman, a CEO. And you know I don't love drama so much, but at the same time, this is like, so many interesting characters, so many interesting profiles. Am I a traitor? Am I innocent? Very interesting. And oh my god, what do you mean? What do you mean? I did a show with Karan Johar and I sat next to him and he asked me questions. Karan, you were a dream director to work with, but then I work with you as a host. It's fine because I still believe you're gonna hire me for one of your shows next, because you want to also show that you work with like talented people, with outsiders, and I am like 100% outsider. If you want to work with an outsider and you want to prove that you're actually helping everyone out there, I am an outsider who's beautiful, who's talented, who's a good dancer, who knows how to speak Hindi, and who's easy to work with and very hardworking. So Karan, please, 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 please see this video और मुझे मौका दे दो, please. Thank you. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed myself. I didn't have breakfast. I just like enjoy having coffee, and I just got like a little bit of chicken paratha homemade from me. We're going to do like a face massage, so we get like a snatch face, even though the skin is looking good, but we just need like more massage. Can you see like this inflammation here? So much of puffiness. So I need to remove that water retention, and yeah, that's it. That's what's happening. So you can continue a little bit of massage. The skin is glowing. You need to massage your face as much as you can because it's just gonna remove like all the water retention. It's gonna lift your face. You see how my face was puffy? Now it's just like, you know, so snatched up. And I do it with my argan oil, so the face is like so hydrated. And once I'm gonna do the makeup, it's just gonna like sit properly. We gonna take our hammam and I'm gonna show you my routine. Okay, so now that my body is wet and it's hot, now my pores are open, we're gonna use the face scrub. Now because my pores are open, it's so like good to use it, because then the argan cannot just like penetrate inside your skin and you can just like scrub. I put it on my neck also. So this one has 3% of Neela but 5% of argan oil. That's why this one is for the face. And if you have pores, if you have acne, you have to use this, because argan oil has acid that's gonna kind of like fight the bacteria. And if your face is wet, it is gonna like, you know, spread even more. Now let's do the body. So I'm wearing where I'm gonna like show this part and my underarms. So I'm gonna use this one. It's different. It's made out of Neela, but this one has the argan powder, you know. So I'm just gonna like scrub it all over. Gonna put here because I want to shave, so I'm just gonna keep scrubbing. I'm gonna put on my legs also, but most importantly this area, because all this area gonna be seen. I would love to put it on my back also, because it just helps with acne, and I have some acne on my back, but I have nobody to like do it for me. Oh my god, it smells so good and it just like melts into your skin, and I keep like scrubbing it. If you want, what I do also is I have this scrubber, so I kind of scrub it, even though it's gonna eat like my product, so you have to put like more of it. Yeah, like this, and just keep scrubbing. I'm gonna shower this and you're gonna see a huge difference. Oh my god, I just finished. Can you see? The skin is so, oh my god, I didn't wash it properly. Can you see? The skin itself, it's so hydrated. I just came from the shower and oh my god, like the face is literally so hydrated, so glowy. I definitely didn't look like this before the shower. My body also didn't look like this. This is insane. Wow, crazy. Looks like I've already put like something. It just looked deeply hydrated. The face, don't even get me started. Oh my god, you can see that it's so clean. What do you mean you don't have Moroma jar in your bathroom? What do you mean you don't have the authentic Moroccan argan Neela face scrub? You're losing on so much. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Now let's put on my clothes. Before that, we're gonna apply a little bit of argan oil, and it just gonna show much more hydration. It's crazy. This is like the Moroccan glass skin. Wow, crazy. I put also on my face a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, because I'm doing makeup. Crazy. I love it. Now let's go and put on some clothes. We are packing for the shoot, and oh my god, what is the outfit? I put the outfit here. I think we need like Moroma boxes. This is the most viral akar fassi that people wanna buy, that you like do on your cheeks and on your lip. I'm getting this to all my traitors people. They're gonna love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Savrida, Crystal, Pardol, Tanya, and Gil. Shehneel. I always have like Gil because it's more easy. Come, let me show you my Chota Sa warehouse. This is where the whole warehouse work happens. 4, 5. And then Ruxana, you get me these 5 small boxes. Let's pack them there. So it's all started in my house. We are soon getting an office. So let's pack. These are gifts for me to the traitors people. I hope they're not gonna like betray me or धोखा देंगे. फिर भी मैं gifts दे रही हूँ. देखेंगे कौन deserving है और कौन deserving नहीं. यार, this is really cut to cut, ना?
Yes.
Ruxana helps me with the delivery. हमने light रखा है. So let's place these boxes. We'll place them here. We have to do some more calls. So I found this guy who's really good. His name is Shivam. So I'm calling him. Let's see if we can crack some marketing deal. Budget nahi hai, but hello Shivam.
Hello. Hey, hi.
How are you?
All good, all good. How are you?
I'm good. So I saw your profile. We just need to lock the creative idea. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Yay! We have to keep thinking about Moroma and how can I make it grow. I was a little bit offended when he said I don't know the page. My help's birthday, so we're gonna cut the cake for her. She celebrated my birthday and she got me like chocolate and all of that. I'm gonna get her a gift tomorrow. I'm gonna go and buy one. Yay! Cute! Let's put it here. I don't know why they sent us this. We have 2 cakes. Or should we do it by the bar? I don't know, where's the lighter? Like the lighter. Should we put it by the bar? It's nicer. Oh my god, the cutter. Rubina ka cake cut. सही है ना? ये पकड़ो. Come. ठीक है. Now we'll call Rubina. इनकी शादी हो रहा है, मतलब शर्म बिशरम आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. Come now, Rubina, be here. Sharan, Ruxana.
शराब है इधर पीछे.
नहीं है. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rubina. Happy birthday to you. एक wish करना है, फिर ये करना है. Yay! अभी मैं देती हूँ पहले. यार इतना कंजूसी है. Oh my god. Happy birthday, Rubina. Will you give it? Oh my, just do. Thank you. I just realized that I don't have shoes for the traitors announcement, so we're gonna go quickly to Infinity Mall, get some golden heels, and then rush because I'm 1 hour late. Oh my god, let's go. It's like I literally have like 5 minutes. The car is just there. Oh my god, there is like nobody to help. I think accessories are the other side. Oh, they're there. Oh my god, looking at the heels, I don't think you can buy anything from this. I think I found them. We are wearing gold, so I think I'm gonna go with these. Come, let's pay. Oh fuck. How can I do all this queue? Oh my god. Can I just like use my face and be like, please, like, cash me? Let me try your website, no? Let me try. Excuse me. I only have this. So we managed to not do the queue. Actually, beauty didn't help me, just chalakness that just helped me. Hi! This is insane. Hello! Hi!
Oh my god, you're looking so cute.
How
Please,
cute!
at this
I
point,
just woke
everything
up.
is a pun on me. The poster is a pun on me. The question is a pun on me. The reel is a pun on me.
What happened?
Everything is a pun on me. So before you attack, please tell me so I can prepare and know how to take it. So
I think I reached in a very wrong moment. Hi, how are you? No. Hi, Karan.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
car and the car comes here. वो आपको यहाँ पे drop करेंगे. We'll receive you. Everybody is in cloak, red cloak.
Okay.
These are the 6 elements of our show: breakfast, coffin, dagger, portrait, scroll, and lantern. 4th is your batch, is the scroll.
We'll come from here.
Yes, you are held here. You walk up here, and then
So, this clock should not show my face.
no, you're hooded and you look down.
Okay.
Okay. यहाँ पे Shalini will be there.
And can we show the outfit or it needs to be closed?
We will show your outfit also. Don't worry, we'll give you that time also. आपकी ना लाइंस ली जाएगी.
मैं कुछ बोलूंगी.
हाँ.
लंबा से देना एक हिंदी में बहुत एक संस्कृत के एक दो वर्ड डाल के.
आपके बैच का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, ये लिटअप हुआ, स्क्रॉल ऊपर जा रहा है, 4 of you all walk together. सबसे पहले शालिनी जी का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, वो हो गया. उसके बाद सोंदूस का इंट्रोडक्शन 7 समुंदर को पार करके आई है.
Oh my God!
ये बोलना है तुम्हें.
Guys, this is the introduction. I'll tell you. Please welcome Sondus Mufak.
Okay.
Is when you
Then I
unhook.
do this.
Yes.
For
मैंने उसे सार्वजनिक लोगों के लिए एक लंबा से हिंदी में लाइन है.
No, don't worry.
But I have to say something.
Yeah, thank God. Come.
अंश काम भी कर ले थोड़ा सा.
Slowly.
चलो सबका जल्दी कर, साथ में
आओ
कर.
अंश भाई.
Oh my god.
Do you remember who we are?
I'm going to introduce into what's happening here.
Hi.
I'm so happy to
सिर्फ
see
दो
you.
तीन
You didn't come for
शब्द
any
शेयर
of
किया
them.
हमें.
क्या कैसे हो सर? बहुत दिनों बाद मिल रहे हो. तो मिल रहे नहीं. हाय.
उसको
आप तो
सर
बात कर
बोलते
सकते
हो,
हो.
मुझे नाम नहीं
मैं
बोलते.
बात करूंगी, आपको बताती हूँ. आ जाओ.
Let's go.
Here, this is your mark. This side, behind.
Oh, only the 4 of us will give.
Yes.
This is for the first
So this is
photo.
the first photo op that happens. Only 4 of y'all.
Okay,
That
okay.
y'all are revealed. We'll get ready.
So we'll reveal and then go.
So after this is done, you exit. After all entries are done,
Then we
you
come
back.
back.
For the group.
Maybe they don't know. But you will put here.
I put inside also.
Yay! I'll become a parole once again. Wow! Wow! I don't even fucking need to do anything. See? And if I get this. Wow!
Amazing.
Yeah, actually, it's gonna look good. We need to keep to front.
Yeah, we'll keep, but we won't keep it so high. We'll keep thoda niche, so it'll look no longer.
Yeah, I think 10 minutes. Team, we have like a magazine shoot. Oh my god, I love the outfit. Golden boobies, and then this gold, and then skirt, and then the long hair. I feel like actually I'm representing myself, like Arab goddess. I love this look. I think this is the first time I'm kind of like experimenting with everything.
Wait, I'll open more.
No, this is fine. Sorry.
I'll only pick thodu. I won't pick so
No,
much.
it's fine. No. Oh my god. How do I look so beautiful? It's so good. I look like a Arabian. Wow. Swati, you did a good job.
No time, guys. Current Johar is already backstage.
So
we can't
those
be there.
needs to click pictures.
We'll do it later. Everyone will do it later. After the show is done. Like it's just 1.5 hours.
Oh my god, guys, this is my outfit. I'm going now to meet the media. This is crazy. The quality is so bad. Let's go. Where to go? Yeah. Oh, in the car. Okay, bye. Let's go.
Vlog.
Yes. Hi. This guy is acting so like composed and all. Show देखना है.
मैं कंपोज.
Please welcome Rhea Chakraborty.
ये अभी इसने बोला कि अगर कोई लड़की इंडिया से नहीं है तो मैं इनके साथ कुछ बीफ है.
मैंने ऐसा बोला ही नहीं. I love foreigners.
कुछ भी. It's on. We are at the backstage, all of us. Oh my god, thank you so much. Good life. मुझे भी हाय नहीं बोला इसने.
मैंने सोल्ड उसको हाई नहीं बोला.
हाय नहीं बोला. आपको लग रहा है कि तुम्हारे पास बहुत ज्यादा औकात है.
औकात है. ये कैसा वर्ड है? हिंदी सीखनी पड़ेगी.
औकात मतलब
A B C D.
औकात ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं, कम नहीं होती.
हाँ यार वही था ना.
यार,
वही था.
actually-
तुम्हारा हिंदी was right only.
Actually, सोंडू सब बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस की मालकिन हो गई है. अब शी इज मालकिन 2.0.
प्रमोशन कर रहे हो.
मोरोमा
और अच्छा है.
हम भी यूज करें.
नहीं बोलो कि तूने यूज किया और इसलिए तो इतना सुंदर दिख रहा है.
मेरे को
तूने
मैंने
use
यूज
किया?
करा इसलिए मैं इतना सुंदर दिख रहा हूँ. बट असलियत
and-
ये मैंने
and go
मेकअप करा
मोरोमा.
है. एंड गो मोरोमा. और माल भेज देना, ठीक है.
या
पैसे भी प्रमोशन का और प्रोडक्ट भी भेजना.
मोरक्कन का प्यार भी.
मोरक्कन प्यार.
ठीक है. ओके
ठीक
cool.
है.
थैंक यू फॉर दिस
Done.
फ्री प्रमोशन.
यूट्यूब पे डाल रही है.
यस.
मेरा थंबनेल आ जाओ व्यूज.
सोंदूस मेरे को ब्लैकमेल कर रही है. देखो सब फॉरेन टैलेंट सेम नहीं होता. ये देखो कितनी अच्छी लड़की है. Some foreigners are amazing, stunning and दिल से भी साफ.
मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ
हाँ जी.
तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम्स फॉरेनर के साथ क्या है? क्योंकि मैं भी फॉरेन हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ तो है तुम्हारा दिल में मेरे लिए जो अच्छा नहीं है.
मेरे दिल में आपके लिए सिर्फ प्यार, सत्कार, दुलार. आप इतनी
दुलार?
महान. दुलार मतलब अफेक्शन.
Oh, okay.
अफेक्शन. You're a very nice girl. सब
But
देखो
you're
सब
foreign.
देखो जो मेरा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है ना, मैं थोड़ा सा
बट मैं क्या हूँ बीच
घबरा
में?
चुका हूँ. पर अब मैं बहुत खुश हूँ because you are not like the other foreign talent. So I feel safer.
मैं तो ये नहीं मानती हूँ. दूसरे लोग जो इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं मैं उसको नहीं जानती हूँ. बट एक इसका एक्सपीरियंस है और मैं ये एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम था हमारा दोनों बीच में का.
नो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
बनती.
कभी शो का नहीं बता सकते बट नहीं मेरा कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं. मैं तो ऐसी कुछ भी बोलता हूँ. यू कांट टेक मी सीरियसली सोंदूस.
बट आई फील लाइक
No.
धोखा दे दिया दूसरे कंट्री.
No.
अब पर मैं मोरक्को से हूँ.
Yeah,
मैं
I
मोरक्को
love
से हूँ.
Morocco. Morocco is like
मैं French
you
और
love Bollywood
Moroccan
films there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at how. Yeah.
Heart.
Heart.
पहले से ही लग रहा है. God, we finished shooting. I love this makeup, like literally. And look at my hair. I love it. And we're going for dinner.